In this video, guys, I want to talk about how getting good at taking care of your vehicles can help you in other areas. So, one of the great benefits of learning how to maintain, take care of your vehicles, keep them looking good, keep them running well, is you can apply that knowledge to every other area in your life. And I have done this now for at least a decade or more. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick example. Historically, I've been a Windows and Linux user, but I would say in the last year, I've gotten more and more interested in possibly using Mac OS for a number of reasons. Kind of beyond the scope of the video, but I'm not really happy with Windows 10 and a lot of things Microsoft is doing with Windows 10. So anyway, I started looking into it, and the most upgradable, least expensive Mac you can get that can run Mac OS Catalina is the Mac Mini, 2012 Mac Mini. And I was looking at them and they're like, around, $280, $300 for one that's in good condition. And I thought, man, I don't want to spend that much. So what I did is I found a Mac Mini that had considerable amounts of cosmetic blemishes. And I'll put a picture on the screen so you can see how the Mac initially looked. It looked like it had ink stains. It looked like it had different types of stains on it and stickers and different things. But I had a feeling I could get those out. And what I use in this kind of situation is full strength Simple Green. So I used this technique and I purchased the Mac Mini. And as you can see, this thing is beautiful. I mean, the stickers and blemishes all came off. And this thing looks like an almost new Mac. And Simple Green was great. In addition, I really like using Goo Gone, especially on those stickers. So those two things worked beautifully for me. Now, in addition, this machine was also cheap, or much cheaper, because you can see on one of the stickers or one of the Post-its on the machine, it says bad RAM slot. Basically, the upper RAM slot, I can take the back off really easy and just show you guys. The upper RAM slot, which is this slot here, basically this slot here had been damaged. And so the seller put 8 gigs in the lower RAM slot and just sold it to me as an 8 gig Mac Mini. And I was happy with 8 gigs because 8 gigs, the Core i5 and the SSD that I was going to put in it meant that it was going to be a very fast machine for what I wanted to use it for. So what I did though is when I got this upper RAM slot was open and I looked at the pins really closely inside and basically they had been damaged, like something had fallen and hit it. So what I did is I took these tweezers and I just went in and gently started massaging the metal and I basically got the slot that the RAM card goes into to be fairly level. And so then I was able to get another 8 gigs of RAM and put it in the upper slot. So I have 8 gigs in the lower, 8 gigs in the upper, 16 gigs of RAM. You combine that with an ADATA SU750, and you now have a pretty fast, powerful Mac computer. Runs Mac OS Catalina really well and is a good machine. So I want to encourage you guys to have this mentality that a lot of times you can take something that doesn't really look that great and you can kind of make it great with just a little creativity and a little bit of effort. And that's what you get. You get those skills when you're maintaining your vehicles and taking care of your vehicles, keeping them looking good. You then apply that to other areas of your life, whether that's yard equipment like mowers, trimmers, blowers, or appliances where, for example, if your washing machine goes out or your dishwasher goes out, you can see on Craigslist, does anybody have like a beautiful stainless steel, newish, like with 1-year-old dishwasher they want to unload because it, quote, doesn't match the house, right? Hey, you'll come by and get it. And certainly that's what we use our Honda Element for. Come on by, slap some cash on the table, and bring that beautiful dishwasher home and install it myself. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to encourage you that the quest of improving your skills, your automotive skills, is going to bleed over into other areas and really benefit you. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.